Hi, I'm Bradford Sherman, here along with Jennifer Dunn, and this is another Happenings Now short clip. You know, Jennifer, when it comes to starting a business, there's lots of important things.
There is.
You got to have an idea for the business. You need employees. But the most important thing, I think, is you need money. You got to have the money to start it.
Yes, you have to have funding.
And we have a program coming up here on the 27th of August at South Centers that's going to help people with that most important process, getting the money. It's called Access to Capital, Funding Your Small Business. Can you tell us a little bit about what's going to be happening?
Sure. On Tuesday, August 27th, we will be having an Access to Capital Funding for Your Small Business event. The workshop will be instructed by Chris Smalley, one of our SBDC counselors here at the South Center. He is going to discuss all of your funding options, whether it be traditional lending options, government loan, or partnership loan programs, and the other regional lending options or organizations that are here in the Southern Ohio area. So just a little bit about banks, traditional lending versus commercial lending, or maybe your government loan programs, like I said, the USDA, the SBA, the NRCS, the FSA, the Grow Now, and then Reenergize Ohio loan programs. And then a little bit, if you're not familiar with the GAP lenders, the microloan programs, and the community revolving loan programs, and also all the requirements that you need to meet with these programs.
So if you were attending an event like this, you probably is because you need money, so I'm guessing we're not going to charge people for this, right?
This event is absolutely free,
Awesome.
and it is also only 2 hours.
Okay, so
again, it's from 9 a.m. to 11 on August 27th, and you can register through me. My number is 740-289-1605, or you can just send me an email if that's quicker. It's Dunn, DUNN.595@osu.edu.
So that's 2 hours, very well spent.
Yes,
2
it
hours, it doesn't cost you a thing, and you may be able to find out some really helpful tips about how to get the money to start your business.
Absolutely. And all the requirements.
Absolutely. So join us for that event. I'm Bradford, she's Jennifer, and that's what's happening now. We'll see you next time.